Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today is a wash day routine. I'll be taking you guys along. I hope you enjoyed today's video with me. Please give the video a huge and massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you have not, share a beautiful comment. I will take just a simple, I'll call it a simple wash day routine. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I skip this process, but anyway, I'll be taking you guys on it. And the first thing we're going to be doing is my pre-poo. I did a full video where I created this pre-poo stroke detangler I used on my daughter's hair, so I'll be using the same pre-poo treatment on my hair. You can do well to check that video out. Okay love, so let's get started. The first thing, I always use this to cover my hair, so I'm going to be removing it, and this is how my hair looks like this is my hair. So I'll first of all take down, because I always put it in two chunks and they're all on braids, so I'll take it down and see I've already twisted 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're going to be working with this one. I'll take this one side. I have my mirror, so just in case you see me looking this way, is because that's where my mirror is positioned, because we need to use mirror to work. In a side, in your head, in your head, your hair is growing, some pace. See, yeah, Alright, so this is okra gel. Okay, so you can use either flaxseed gel. Some people use flaxseed gel, okay, as their detangler stroke pre-poo. Some people use aloe vera as their detangler stroke pre-poo. So me, I always go for okra gel because this one is simple, you can get it anywhere, and it's simple to make and no hustle. Okay, you know, you can buy okra anywhere, anytime, and it's cheap. All right, so this is what I'm going to be using. In your head, in your head. And it's very, very hydrating. Like immediately you add okra on your hair just gets that instant hydration. I'm doing this in the restroom because this thing is always messy. So even if you're doing it in your other part of your house, you can put something on the floor so that when the okra drops, it drops on either the nylon or cloth. But anyway, this is in the bathtub, so it's more easier for me. So this is the one I've not done, and this is the one I have done. You can see the coils are bouncing. But anyway, this is a detangler for me. So let's do the next one. just from only this side of the hair. This is what we have. So I'm going to do the rest of the hair off camera and I'll be right back.
Look at my head.
So guys, I am done. Now this thing.
My daddy is still barking.
So I'm done and I'm going to pack, like, let's do it circle, like twist it one side twisted.
Look.
Okay. This side twisted.
How is this?
You cover it.
Cover your own hair. My own is dry.
I like to sit for like 15 minutes, then I'll wash it out.
Let's wash it out there.
Yes, 15 minutes is over. So I'm going to wash this out, but instead of washing it out, I'm just going to add in my shampoo and wash everything together. I'm using is this Biotin Collagen shampoo. This is what this is the shampoo we're going to be using. See, it's very, very transparent in color. I know I say I'll use my black soap shampoo when washing my hair when it's like this, but I've run out of that one, so I'm going to go with this one. So I'm doing my hand like this to massage. So instead of using my nails to be dragging it, is my thumb where my skin is, and I'm using to massage my scalp. All washed, so it's time for me to rinse. hair is still a little bit damp, I'll just use my towel to just drain out the water a little bit, because we need to go in with deep condition. All right, so this is a deep condition. This is deep condition I'll be using. Full recipe is in my channel. Do want to check it out. So this is the condition I'm using for today's video. Yeah. So guys, I am done with my hair. Those things has come off of my hair. So I'm done, and then this is what my wash day routine is like. If you want fuller hair, if I stretch this hair now, it will become longer. My hair is this kind of hair that it shrinks immediately water touch it and everything that shrink. But when this hair, if I stretch it, you see it will become bounce. It will become long, much longer. My hair is that kind of kinky hair that is very shrinkage. But anyway guys, I'm done. Now see you all in my next one. I'm going to part my hair and twist it so that I can braid it, going back on our mini braids. And I'll see you all in my next video. Hey, better. Bye. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.